Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create and add folders to your connected inboxes on Canary Mail. So let us guide you through it. So launch Canary Mail, log into your account on Canary Mail and make sure that your inbox, for example from Gmail, Outlook or Yahoo Mail is connected. So if you'd like to create a folder inside that inbox through Canary Mail, guys, you can do that, but you can't do it through that menu to the left. You'll need to access your inbox settings. To do that, navigate to preference here on the left hand side inside that list, and what you want to do next, guys, is expand the accounts tab to the left, click into personal, and here what you want to do is expand the folder section, and here you may simply click into add folder, find or assess the location below, so make sure that you select the connected inbox and give your folder a name like my test folder. Click into save, and that's it. As you can see, the folder has been added, and that's it, guys. That's how you do it. You will also see the folder, of course, of these created folders in your inbox, not only here via Canary Mail, but through your Gmail, Outlook or Yahoo Mail inbox. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.